Supercars sound angry, violent, and explosive, and it's not just the engine. The real secret is a tiny part called the exhaust resonator. Basically a tune chamber that manipulates pressure waves to create that deep, aggressive roar. When manufacturers want a louder, sharper sound, they shrink the resonator. When they want a smoother, bass-heavy tone, they enlarge it. It literally shapes the voice of the car. And when tuners delete it, that's when you get the sharp crackles, pops, gunshots, and extreme volume everyone loves. So yes, the engine makes the power, but the exhaust resonator decides whether your supercar whispers, growls, or screams.